In this video I will show you how can you add a contact form on your Wix website. So at first let me go to add element, and then I can see here contact and forum, and then I can see here some of the pre-made forums design that I can see here: order forum, registration forum, application forum, request forum, waiver forum, subscribe forum. It's mean the newsletter things you can add from here. And here is the catering, and here is the order forum, donation forum, feedback forum. Okay, so now Wix update the forum. So if you want, you can add the existing forum, like as you have already a forum on your website and you want to reuse it any of the another page on your website. So you can do that now very easily from here, because at first Wix was only the add menu option, but now they update it and you can reuse a contact form different place. So let me take create a new forum, because I want to put a new forum on my website. So here I just need to click here, create new forum, then Wix adding the forum on my website. And once it will be added, the Wix contact forum dashboard will be open here. So at first we was adding the input box on the editor, but now Wix move the contact forum over the dashboard. Now we can build the forum here, and we can like as it work as a widget. The contact form will be created on the dashboard, and we just need to connect it on our website. So let me take here the first name and the last name, and then email, and here is the phone number. First name, last name, email, phone number, and I want a long answer there. If you want, you can put a upload form. If you want them, someone will submit their information to you, then you can edit here. You can put here the multi-choice option as well. Let me show it to you as well. You can put here multi-choice option. You can put drop down as well if you want. Here is the options for the drop down. You can put date picker, you can put the time, and there have another option. If you want, you can put here star rating as well, like as if you are creating a review box, so you can put the star rating from there as well. If you want, you can put a signature option as well there. Okay, so that's it. Now let me go from scratch. Here is the first name. I need to make it require it, and if I want to give any hints there over the box, then I can enable it, and I can write here like as example. The name will be, the first name will be like as MD Manohar. This is a example. If you want, you can turn on the placeholder text. So I am moving it to disable, and the last name obviously will be a required field. Email obviously a required field. The phone number, if you want, you can make it required, otherwise you can make it optional. When you will make it required, then you can see here a star will be added there, and phone number is now not required. That's why the star is not there. The stars means it is required. Obviously they need to fill up this information, otherwise the form will not submit it. And here is the file upload forum, and we can show here that which document you want to receive through upload file. They can send you a video file, they can send you an image file, they can send you an audio file if you want. So I am not giving the video or audio access. They will submit only any of the document like as a PDF, docs file, a presentation file, or any of the image I will accept here. And you can put here the file upload limit. If they have multiple file, then I just need to make it 2, so they can upload 2 files there. And obviously this is required. And if you want to get the file description as well, then you can enable it, otherwise make it disable. And then I can see here multi-choice option like as gender. Multi-choice is not look like that. Multi-choice mean like as what do you need, like as if I will create the forum for my services, then I can put here website design, and I can put here SEO, on-page SEO. Okay, so they can select here multiple items. Okay, and obviously it will be required, and I can give it look like that way. And if I have more item, then I can put it a 3 column, as I have only 2 options, so I need to make it 2 column. And then here is the drop down, like as I can get the information from my client like as budget. So I need to put here 100 to 500 USD, and here is 500 to 1k USD. Okay, and let me make it default view. They can choose one, and obviously it is required. And then here is the long answer. I can put here your message, and it's optional. Okay, and then I need to go here the signature field, and let me make it required, and let me click save. And then I just need to go to the preview so I can see how it's look like, and they can sign here. Okay, and somehow it's take a lot. Let me make this section something bigger. I don't know, it's saving, that's why the editor disable, not working. Let's wait some time. Okay, so I give a reload there, and then we have already created the forum there. So now I just need to go here, edit forum, and then let me just make sure the submission table has been created. Everything is vanished. Oh my god. Okay, let me make it faster. Okay, so here is the forum that we was created. So now let me go to the settings, and then here is the forum name. I can update it like as contact forum, and you can create a automation as well. If you want, you can customize the automation. Let me go to the submission. Here we'll have our all of the information that will submit my client. I can see everything here. together. Okay, let me just click save, and it's save. Let me close it. Let me go to the website and let me delete it because it will be not there. I just need to go here, add, let me see, 1 second. Okay, it's deleted. Maybe my internet connection is some slow. Let me just click plus, add element and contact forum, and then add existing forum. Let's click plus. It will add our existing forum because we have already created the forum, so it's automatically saving. Let's wait. Okay, so the forum is adding on our website, and it's not coming yet. Let me click here again. It's coming but not showing. Let me give a refresh on my editor. Let's see. Okay, so we can see here the forum has been added, and now if I will go to settings, and then we can see here the forum that have on our website. Our website have only one forum, so we can see this one only. I just need to select it, then we can see it's loading here. Okay, that view was created, we can see it here. Let me make it something bigger. Let me make it alignment in center, and then bring it something upper. Okay, we can see everything there. Let me just make it publish, and I need to make sure here it's published. Let me now give a hard refresh on my live website, and then I can see forum has been added there. Let me put my first name, last name, email address, phone number, and let me upload 1 or 2 file. Let me go to download. Here is the file that has been uploaded, and I need website design and on-page SEO both. My budget is 500 to 1k USD. My message is I need a Wix website, and here is my signature. If you need, for this kind of reason, I don't need a signature field. I am just showing it to you that you can put here a signature box as well. Let me just click submit, and we can see here, thanks, we receive your submission. If you want, you can customize this information as well. I just need to click here. I just need to click settings, and then here is the layout. You can design it that like way you want to design, and if you want to customize the success message, then you need to go to edit forum, and then the forum editor will be open again here, and then 1 second, it's coming. Okay, let me go to the settings, and here is the submission, settings, contact forum. Here is the after field. Let me go to edit, and here is the general box. Okay, so the submission success message we can see under the button. I just need to click here the setting, and then you can see here, thanks, we receive your submission. If you want, you can change this success message, and if you want to redirect them to a new URL or the same tab, then you can redirect them as well. So let me just keep look like that way it is now, and you can change the submit button text as well, submit now, and let me just click save. Save. Okay, it's saved. So now we have already submitted our information here. So now let's go to the website dashboard and customers and lead and forum and submission. Let's see if we got the information. Yes, we can see here one submission. So now let's click here, view submission, and then we can see here our submission is there. Here is the time, 6 minutes ago, and here is MD Monwar Hossain. This is the first name, last name, this is the email address, this is the phone number, this is the file that they have sent, I have sent. Okay. So and then I can see here what do you need, and here is the budget, and I need a Wix website, and here is the sign. I can see the sign here. Okay, so we got all of the information successfully. So look like that way you can add a contact form to your Wix website very easily, and if you want, you can design the background, you can design the font, you can design the color, you can do everything whatever you want to do under the design section. Okay, so look like that way you can add a contact form and you can reuse it. Like is how can you reuse it? Look like that way, the same way you just need to go here, the plus icon, add element, and then you just need to go here, contact and forum, and then you just need to click here, add existing forum, and then you just need to select the forum, and then it will be reused there if you want. Okay, so I hope you understand. If you don't understand, then just leave me a comment and I will try to give you the answer. Or if you need any help to create your contact form, like as the rules or advanced contact form, if you need, you may hire me to do it for you. Link in the description. Thank you so much.